They say blood is thicker than water. But what happens when blood betrays blood? Absalom Zungu never imagined that the son he raised, the boy he once called his pride, would be the very one to pull him into one of South Africa's most controversial murder trials. Their reunion, meant to bring healing, became the beginning of a nightmare. From quiet family moments to the chaos of the courtroom, Absalom's world collapsed the day his own son's words turned against him. This is the story of love, loyalty, and the betrayal that changed everything. It's a tense morning inside the Pretoria High Court. The gallery falls silent as Absalom Zungu takes the stand, his face calm, but his eyes heavy with the weight of truth. For the first time, he speaks about how his son, Sizwe Zungu, unknowingly tied his name to the murder of soccer star Senzo Meyiwa. Every word carries years of pain, betrayal, and disbelief. As the defense listens and the prosecution leans in, the air in the courtroom turns electric. Absalom's voice doesn't just tell a story. It exposes the cost of family, loyalty, and the danger of misplaced trust. Let's quickly dive into the courtroom and listen to the father's nightmare.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu.
Yebo.
I am Mr. Mnisi.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. The day that we've been always looking forward to that it would come, it has just arrived. You still remember the first time we met, it was at some consultation many weeks ago.
Yebo.
Thank you. Just feel comfortable, feel at home, just be free.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. A court, I normally say, is the freest place you can ever find around.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you, Babu Zungu. Is it correct, Babu Zungu, that you originally from KZN?
Yebo, mbuya khona.
Babu Zungu, the reason why you have been requested to come to assist the court is because your name has been mentioned in the course of this trial, not only once, twice, but on several occasions. Now, your name has been mentioned, amongst others, by Brigadier Kininda. Your name has also been mentioned by Constable Sizwe Zungu. Do you follow?
Yes.
Yes, I hear.
Now, I realize that Constable Sizwe Zungu and yourself are sharing the same surname.
Yebo.
Yes.
Do you perhaps know him?
Ngiyamazi.
You explain to this court, how do you know him?
Ngathi nje njengoba kuyingane yami. Ngiyamazi ngalokho okuningi noma behlala eKhakonina. Mina ngimkhulise eseKhakonina.
Thank you.
Ukukhula kwakhe ke ngiyamazi wakhula ke wase umuntu oqeda esikoleni wasethi usethola usafuna umsebenzi. Wase ngitshena ukuthi usethola ukuthi ayothola itraining yamaphoyisa. Ngase ngiyakubonga ke nami lokho ukuthi usebe nethuba lokuthola umsebenzi ngaphansi kaHulumeni. Wabuya ke sebuya ke sengitshena ukuthi useqedile usela ngakho umthetho ukuba iphoyisa ufuna ukube ne driving license. Ngakwazi ukumkhokhela ke nokunye nje okuzindle ngamkhokhela ukuthi awuthola ilicense yakhe. Nokunye okungiphazamisile nje ngaye uke wasuka eseqashiwe sesebenza wathanda nje ukwenza into engasile le engalungile le ekhaya kodwa ke sabuye sakhuluma ke saqeda ngazama ukumyala.
Object against this kind of evidence, which is character evidence. It is irrelevant and inadmissible.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. We know that you might have a history with him, but suffice to say that you know him, he is your son. Do you understand?
Yes, Baba.
Ngiyakuzwa.
I understand.
Thank you.
Umlayezo engawubeka nje njengaye uqalile ukusebenza kwase kuthi mase kumanje phakathi kwase ngibonisa ukuthi khona indlela uzofika wafika kimi ngile ngingazi futhi engantshenanga lutho.
Ungazi ukuthi uzofika.
Mr. Zungu, I know we'll come to that, but at least give me the opportunity to lead you.
Siyezwana baba.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. Your name, as it was mentioned in the context of this trial, as I've said, your name came out during the testimony of Sizwe Zungu and Brigadier Kininda. It was in the context of this trial where these gentlemen that you're seeing here are standing trial. Do you understand?
Kuyezwakala baba.
Yes.
I understand.
Now, it's normal procedure. It's normal practice that before you proceed, I should actually ask you if now that you are appearing here at court and these people that this court is all about are also appearing here, if you know any of them, and if so, how do you know them?
Hayi. Ngazi nango uzalwa umsawa.
Ukhomba maphi?
No apoqokezi. Oh angiqale ngaphi?
Yes.
Ngazi nango.
Yes.
Usibi.
I know ngicela ukukhuluma le phezulu.
Ungumakhelwana wami lo.
Usibi. I know Sibiya is my neighbor. And then
Uzalwa umzawa wami ngakwantanzi eduzane kodwa ukusuka kithi uya kubo 10 minutes.
And then Ntanzi is my cousin's child. From my place to his place, it's about 10 minutes.
Yes.
Yebo.
Cha, hayi. Abafowethu aya abanye angibazi.
The others, no, I don't know.
Noma bona baya kodwa ke ngakuphawula ukuthi ngenseka bona baya ngazi omunye wami.
It's possible.
Ukuthi siyahambelana endaweni siyahamba siyahamba ade singabantu udlala namabhola. Konye omunye kuba nemcimbi emakhaya konye omunye wabo uyangibona mina angeke ngiphawule lutho othile mayingazi.
It's possible that one of them might know me. We visit each other back home in the villages. We've got gatherings. We play football. So it's possible that one of them might have seen me or might know me, but I don't know them.
Thank you. Now, your name, as it was introduced to this court, it was introduced by Brigadier Kininda, who said that, or who indicated that they got an information from your son, who is Constable Sizwe Zungu, that you have got information about the involvement of one or two of these accused in the killing of Senzo Meyo. Do you understand?
Ngiyezwa kodwa okugininda mayisho njalo angwemukeli lokho ukuthi.
Thank you. Which is the reason why we've then requested you to come and assist this court to clarify what you've just referred to as something that you don't agree with. The one that you said Kininda said. Do you understand?
Yes,
Ngiyakuzwa.
I understand.
Thank you. You were just about to explain something when I said, can you please allow me to lead you? In our course of consultation, you made mention of your meeting with your son in Ermelo.
Ngeke ngisho ukuthi kwaba umhlangano. Ukufika kwakhe nami ngimthatha ukuthi uvakashele ufike kimi ngoba ngewubaba wakhe.
Now, before we proceed, if you so remember that which you are saying, you did not regard it as a meeting, can you still recall the year and approximately the month at which that happened?
Noma ngayikhumbula inyanga. Kodwa ngiyazi amalanga bekwenzeka ngawo kufike lo mfana kimi. Bekula ko 20 ngisazi la 2017 2018 kakhulu.
Yes. You can explain to this court what happened.
Hayi kushuthi nje mina njengomuntu bengumuntu osebenzayo. Ngisebenza emayini.
Employed the mines.
kodwa umfana wami akaze eze njalo uqala ukuza ngalezo ikhathi bengazange eze la ngisebenza khona obekwenzeka ke ebefika ebusuku engafoni okwathatha amalanga nenyanga ekwenza lokhu mayifika kimi engafoni.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. Would you perhaps know how did he know where you were living or where you were working?
Wayekwazi ukuthi ngisebenza kuphi. Ngihlala wayengakwazi ukuthi ngihlala.
He didn't know where I was staying.
Yes, but would you know how he got to know where you were working?
Kodwa ngabe uyazi yini ukuthi wayazi kanjani ukuthi usebenza kuphi? Uyazi yini?
Ukuthi ngisebenza ngangisho nami mangikhuluma nawe uyangazi ukuthi bengisebenza.
I would mention it when talking to him so he knew where I was working.
Okay, thank you. You may proceed.
Yebo.
Shuthi ke ngalawo malanga ngazi ke mina ngathatha ukuthi ingane yafika nje ngoba phela ezalwa kithi. Wafika kwathi ngelanga ngisemsebenzini wafona. Lapho engihlala khona ngihlala endlini yemqasho. Wase ngichazela ukuthi ngimbuza ukuthi ukuphi wathi ufona ula eML. Inkinga yami enkulu ke ngabe sengimbuza ukuthi yini indaba ongafoni yini ufika ebusuku. Engakwenza ke ngicina ngikwenza ngase ngithi akavala ifoni ngisafonela laba abanye abazi endlini yami. Ngafonela indodana yomza wami yakubwakhe engimkhombayo umbhekiseni ubaba uyedwa wala abangisho ozala lapho ozala lo mbhekiseni na.
They are sharing a file that is now sikhuluma okay ngicela sibahlabadise baba sikhuluma ngomuphi babili la uNtanzi Mbhekiseni is Ntanzi is a brother. They've got the same father.
Yes.
Ngase ngiyamazi ukuthi akasebenzi ufuna umsebenzi. Isikhiye sami futhi uyasazi lapho engisifihla khona noma ngisemsebenzini. Futhi obangibekela lesi sikhiye lapha nje ukuthi ngiyamazi ukuthi akasebenzi konye uzofuna mayibuya kofuna umsebenzi abuya lambile afika asitophe lapho engisibeke khona isikhiye ngisifihla khona.
Are we talking about Mbhekiseni?
Mbhekiseni.
That is correct.
Thank you.
Ngase ke ngokwazi ukuthi akasebenzi ngase ngifonela omunye abahlala nabe engibaziyo ngoba siyesambelane siyabahlala nobani. Ngase ngifonela yena ngicela ukuthi amnikeze imali yokuye edrobheni.
Unikeze bani?
Anikeze uMbhekiseni. Manje ngayithola ke imali ngatshela uMbhekiseni ukuthi akahamba ilande kulona engiyithole kuye. Ngafonela uSizwe ngamtshela ukuthi uyeza uMbhekiseni uzokulanda. Ngizonikeza amafoni ngapha nangapha. Ngase ngibalayela ukuthi omunye akame kuphi. Nalona aye kuphi. Ngamlayela ngesipaka ukuthi kuzoma la kufakwa khona impahla. Nalona ngizomtshela kanjalo futhi maningatholana. Nangempela batholana ke kwamthatha kuMbhekiseni wafika wamvulela endlini wangena ngamthola ebusuku mina mangibuya bangangena ngo2 ngishayisa u10. Ngase ngihambisa ke sengithatha ngikhokha imali ke yale bengikhokhe ebengithe uMbhekiseni akayoyilanda. Ngawunikeza lo mnikazi wemali ke yime ngakhokhayo hayi ukuthi uSizwe. Hayi ngifike ngikhulumisane naye ke ebusuku nami ngingamthathi nje ke mawalo bangazi ngangichasukile ukuthi kungani angafoni. Hayi sikhulume nje bese ngiyalala ke mina. Sixoxe nje kwasekhaya.
A father's voice trembling with truth, a son's silence echoing louder than any defense. Today, we didn't just witness testimony, we witnessed heartbreak. Absalom Zungu stood not just as a father, but as a man fighting to reclaim his name. A man betrayed by the one he trusted most. But as this trial unfolds, one question remains. Was this betrayal personal, or part of something much bigger? Was Sizwe's betrayal intentional, or was he manipulated by someone behind the scenes? Is this testimony the beginning of the end for the state's case? Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because this story is far from over. I'm Skybridge. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.